So, hello guys, and welcome back to another video of Pixel Forge. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be showcasing you the overall look, feel, and presence of Omarchy OS. So, if you don't know, Omarchy OS is a Hyperland plus Arch-based distro, which is apparently called an opinionated distro, and it's made by DHH. So basically, it offers us the tiling window manager, and like that, uh, with the help of just keyboard shortcuts, you can control literally everything, and the experience is quite productive and super snappy here. So it feels very smooth and productive at the same time. So let me just quickly give an overview. So if we press Control Shift Super and Space, and if you don't know, Super is the Windows button, then we get a nice little option here for the themes. So suppose I want the Everforest theme, so just press it, and the theme will be applied. And the theme will be applied everywhere, like the terminal, my fast fetch, Kava, Ptop, everywhere, even on Google. So by default, it comes with Chromium installed, and to get this menu, you just need to pay super space. I have set it to super plus D. So now, like here, if we select the cat cooking theme, this one is why okay, now it's applied. So if we put the cat cooking theme here, what we can do is we can press Control Super and Space, and we can just change our wallpapers like that. So it's really great. And one interesting feature, like regarding the theme customization, is Ether app. So what you can do is just go to this Ether app, select image, and select whatever image you want, and we can just press the extract. So what it will do is extract all the colors from the wallpaper, and after we apply, the colors will be applied, so it will be nice and beautiful. So I prefer it this way rather than selecting things manually. Then we have the way bar here. From here we can select Wi-Fi. Now at the beginning you will be in the non-network section, and this Wi-Fi won't be here, so you'll face some difficulty, but you just need to press tab, like it's a basic TUI based application. So you can press tab and navigate through this, and you can get basically any Wi-Fi network. And then here's the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is pretty simple. You just need to click and it will be opened. Then here will be your BTW. I just pressed 1, 2, 3, 4, and every specifications are here of my PC. And now a quick overview of, like, when the first desktop opens, what you will do. So the first thing you will do is super plus K. So what this will do is this will basically show you every single shortcut that is available in this, and you even have like web applications of everything. Like, it's really an opinionated distro, so it has ChatGPT, Grok, Docker, email, everything, like all the Google apps, YouTube Music, everything is there. So like, it's really great for coders. Now if you press Super Alt Space, then the Omarchy menu will pop up. So from here you can select apps, or you can directly do Super Space for apps, and you'll see all the apps listed here. So I'll quickly do Super Alt Space like that, And here we have the learn options. So from here we can find everything like device, Omarchy. Uh, Docs are available for everything. And if you don't know, the default text editor here is NeoWave. So we just quickly skip that. And the trigger section, we can just capture anything, screenshot, screen record, or even colors. Like you can capture exact colors and it will be copied to your keyboard. Now, in the style section, we can like basically select, edit the screen save, okay, and then we can just select a theme from here. For background, we can just click on that and the background will be applied. It will also open the folder so that like we can put the background there. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. So then we have setup, and this is very important because here you can just select the power profile, like whatever mode you like. Currently, as I'm recording, so I will prefer performance mode. And here you can set up like everything. So by default, the scaling will be 2.0. So you need to edit that. And like if you are facing some problems in the new one, so what you need to do is like to start writing, you just press I. So the cursor will appear, and then you press like after you are done editing, you can just press escape, and then you just press colon. So this command line will open, and we'll do WQ. So what will this will do is write plus quit. So this will just close this, and the settings will be applied. So here we have the key bindings option, so you can just customize everything right here. And other than that, like if you are you can just come down here to the config file, and here you can find hyperlink, hyperheader, hyperlog, everything. So you can just tweak around with everything, and it will be great. Now here comes the best part, like we have the install option. So from here we can just install any package right here. Like it can be literally anything like NeoFetch or something. I don't know. It's not available right here. But if you go to AUR, pretty sure yes, NeoFetch is here. You can see that's the official archive repository if you don't know. Here you can add your custom TUI. It will ask for name and link and all. I won't be doing that as of now. And then you can install particular service like Dropbox, Tailspin, and it's just a one-click download. And in development, we have all the essential language that we use in our day-to-day life. So just one click away. As soon as you press the click or enter button, the download will start and the terminal will appear. And then you can choose between your terminals. Right now I'm using the Caustic terminal, but the default one is Electric. So it also gives you the AI options like Claude Code, Cursor CLI, Gemini, OpenAI, Codex, LM Studio, Hulama, Crush, OneCode. So basically there are a lot of options, and the best thing I like about this is you get the Windows option. So what this basically does is you can just see your specifications particularly, and then it will just basically create you a virtual machine, and you just do super enter and then write your Windows, press enter, and your Windows will open. I won't show it right now because that's not the whole point of the video. And here gaming, you can just download Steam or Minecraft or Retros. Basically you can just download Steam and you can get access to basically everything up there. Similarly, the remove option. So here you can remove the fingerprint, freedom to authentication, Windows, virtual machine, particular theme, device, or any app that is installed. Now here we have the update option. So the update option, what we can do is either we can go to config and like particularly update some files or something, or change the password, time zone, time, or firmware upgrade, hardware upgrade, extra themes. So how this extra themes work is just go here and it will ask us for like GitHub link, and you can get the GitHub link online. So you can just search for Omarchy themes and then you get GitHub theme. You can just paste the URL and the theme will be applied like that. So in the update process only, the system upgrade you can directly here. Like if you want to avoid the command line thing, so I just quickly enter my password, and as you can see, update has started. It will verify everything, and just like that, my update will be turning up. So basically, Omarchy is, I won't be pretty much user friendly, but if you want to experience the Arch plus Hyperland experience on your laptop and you are not skilled enough to set up everything, or you don't have so much time to set up each and everything on Arch, then I would say it's a great thing to start with, because even if you like to tweak with your system, it just gives you a basic template and then later you can work upon it. So that's what I prefer personally. I have changed many things here like background, and I have added many apps like right now it's updating, so we just let it update. And yeah, so basically everything over here is pretty solid, like 10 on 10 according to me. So you can just get the cool Hyperland experience from here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to give Omarchy a shot, as it can be the best distro you have ever tried in your life. So thanks for watching the video and stay tuned for more such videos.